Abby, how you doing, Abby? How you doing, old big girl? Fuck y'all want? The fuck y'all want? We're all in our places with bright, shiny faces. I see you guys have mowed down Tracy's flowers. Good. Fuck that bitch. Hey, Kyla. And your little baby. I got it. I'm keeping you. Look how small she is. She ain't even 2 feet tall. Good stuff. Keeping that, keeping that, keeping that. These two are the ones I'm getting rid of. Old black stripe and white stripe. Yeah.